Okay, mixtures, lesson 4, mixtures and solutions. Please keep silent and listen to me. Of course, there is a link between mixtures and solutions. By the end of this lesson, inshallah, you are able, I hope that you are able to define what is a mixture and what is a solution and to distinguish between them. Not all mixtures solutions. You have to know that not all types of mixtures are solutions. Okay, there is a difference between them. Let's start. Uh, okay, at the beginning, let's read this paragraph. I want to read this paragraph. And طيب, wait. Can you طيب. شباب الصورة طالعة عندكم بعدها ولا راحت؟
No.
موجود الكتاب؟
Yes. بلا موجودة.
خلاص.
Yes.
Okay, طيب, please look at.
Yes. موجودة.
Look here, what's this? This is a mixture of colors, okay? When you look at an oil painting from a distance, it might seem to have large areas of a single color. For most paintings, a closer look tells a different story. There are many different colors side by side, often in very small patches of color. So, if you look at any painting, it seems that it's made up of one color, but actually it is made up of many colors. The question is, how do artists have so many colors to work with? Do they have to buy hundreds of different colors and shades so that they can always have the one they need? Do you think that? Do they, the artists, have to buy hundreds of different colors? For example, look here. Do you think that the artists, to make this painting, to buy all the colors? No, they mix. Look at the answer. Do they have to buy hundreds of different colors and shades so that they can always have the one they need? No. Artists start with a few basic colors of paint, then they mix them together to get just the right color for a particular place on the canvas. So, to make a beautiful painting like this, you don't need to buy hundreds of colors. You just need to buy some colors or few basic colors, then you mix them to have like this painting. So again, artists start with a few basic colors of paint. Then they mix them together to get just the right color for a particular place on the canvas. By combining these basic colors in different groupings and amounts, the artist can make any color that you can imagine. Look at this question. Most packages of food coloring have only 4 bottles of food dye. How could you make different colors of icing for a cake? Can you answer? Okay.
What is the question?
Again, this is question.
Can I?
Do you know what is food coloring?
Yeah.
طيب. Most packages of food coloring have only 4 bottles of food dye. They only 4 bottles. How could you make different colors for icing of a cake?
Mr.
طيب استنى شوي.
Can I?
Please raise your hand.
ندمجهم مع بعض.
Me.
طيب حسن.
Me.
Okay, Hassan. Hassan, you can answer.
Teacher, we can use it when we mix the colors all together.
Yes. طيب, who like to answer also? Who likes to answer? طيب, Salim.
I?
Salim.
By combining the colors with
Yes,
each
okay.
other.
Sarah Rawaj, did you want to add something?
Yes.
Okay, you can answer.
We mix all of the color and we have new colors. Then
Excellent.
we could do
All
all
answers are right. Hassan, Alaune, and Sadine, and Sarah. Thank you all. By mixing, the answer is, please write it, write the answer. The answer is by mixing two or more colors will make new colors. Okay, this is the answer. By mixing two or more colors, we will make new colors. Tell me when you finish, please.
Done.
I'm done.
Can we turn to the next page?
No.
Yeah.
Well,
Many students are absent today. I don't know why.
I'm done.
Can I go to the next page?
Yes.
Right, okay. So we are talking about mixing colors, mixing. So what is a mixture? Okay, what is a mixture? Mixture. Look, if you mix peanuts and raisins, each of the substances keeps its own properties. What is a mixture? In a mixture, different materials are placed, but each material in the mixture keeps its own properties. This is the definition of a mixture. Please highlight it. Okay? In a mixture, different materials are placed together, but each material in the mixture keeps its own properties. What can you conclude about this? Can anyone give me a conclusion? What can you infer from this?
Yes.
Raise your hand.
That
Okay.
mixture is
Okay. Who's talking?
Sarah.
Aywa, louder, please.
Mixture is physical change.
Exactly, that's what I want to say. Look here, please. Making, in the previous lessons, we were talking about physical and chemical changes, and we list many examples. So making a mixture, making is a physical change. That's right, thank you. Why? The answer is why, because, sorry, the question is why, because each substance in a mixture keeps its identity. Understood? Making a mixture is a physical change because the components of the mixture, each component or each substance in a mixture keeps its own identity. So we don't make new substances. Any type of mixture, choose any type of mixture, it's a physical change. Making any type of mixture is a physical change. Salad, mixing colors, each color or each, for example, type of vegetable in the salad keeps its own identity. Just they placed together in the same place. So making a mixture is one of the examples of a physical changes. Okay, the substances in a mixture do not combine with each other like a chemical change. They don't form new substances. Okay, and in most mixtures you can separate the mixtures. In most mixtures you can separate them easily. Okay, so if you a mixture again, in a mixture different materials are placed together, but each material in the mixture keeps its own properties, so it is a physical change. In the nut and raisin mixture, you can easily separate the nuts from the raisins. Okay, this is, for example, in this type of mixture, you can separate it easily. Okay, different parts of a mixture can be separated from the rest of the mixture. It's very important point. Different parts of a mixture can be separated from the rest of the mixture. Okay, this is an important point to know, that in a mixture you can separate the components. Okay, another example, when sand and blocks are mixed. If you, for example, mix a sand and the blocks, you could separate the blocks from the mixture by picking them out. So in many cases, in most mixtures, you can easily separate the components of the mixture. You could also use a strainer to separate the parts. Okay, so there are also many methods to separate mixture. Okay, but some mixtures, okay, some mixtures, are you following with me?
Yeah,
Okay, is it clear till now?
yeah.
Fine. Some mixtures cannot be separated as easily as the nuts and raisins. So not all mixtures can be easily separated. For example, iron ore. What is iron ore? Do you know? Says the answer.
Mr. Sadat,
طلع. Look here, please. Iron, most metals that you know, like gold, copper, iron, you can't find them in the nature in their pure form. Or I mean, you can't find, in general, you can't find iron in the nature in its pure form. It's single. it always combine with other metals in a form called ore. For example, you can find it in a rock. Iron ore is a rock that is a mixture of different substances. So you can find iron as a mixture mixed with other metals. To separate iron, it's not an easily task. It needs many steps and they are very hard. Okay, one of these substances is iron. Okay, I mean in the iron ore, it's a rock that is of different substances or metals. One of these substances is iron. You need large factories. You can't do this, for example, in your home. You need factories and equipments. Large factories separate the iron from other components or parts of the mixture. So separating mixtures is not always as easily as you think. This is one of the examples. Okay, to do this, they use a lot of energy to make the iron liquid and separate it from other components. So it needs a lot of time, it needs a lot of energy, it needs a lot of equipment. So not always separating mixture is easily as you think. Time. Here to the next stage. Is it clear till now? Okay. So a mixture is a combination. We can say that different materials. A mixture is made up of different materials that are placed together, but each material in the mixture keeps its own properties. You have to know that in a mixture, each component or each material keeps its own properties. And we can separate mixtures. Sometimes you can separate the mixtures easily, and other times you need, it's very hard and it needs a lot of time, a lot of energy, whatever. Right. What is a solution? We are talking about mixtures. There are a special type. There is a special type of mixtures called solutions. So a solution is a type of mixture. We can say that all solutions are mixture. Do you think that this statement is true? What do you think? Is this statement true?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Yes. All solutions are mixtures, but not all. Who can complete?
All mixtures are solutions.
Not all mixtures are.
Not all mixtures are.
Let's take an example. If we dissolve sugar in water, it is a solution, it is a mixture, okay? But it's also a solution. Okay? Again, if you dissolve sugar in water, you make a solution, but it's also a type of mixture. You can say that it is a type or a special type of mixture called a solution type. Another example. For example, salad is a mixture.
Yes.
But can we say that salad is a solution? No.
No.
Salad is not a solution.
No.
So I want you to know that. Back to the book. A solution is a mixer. So you have to know, it's very important to know that all solutions are mixture. It's a special type of mixture. It's a mixture, but in which substances are spread out evenly and do not settle to the bottom of the container. When you dissolve sugar in water, the sugar and you mix them, okay? The sugar do not settle to the bottom of the container. So a solution is a mixture, but the substances are spread out evenly and do not settle to the bottom of the container. Example, if you place salt in water or sugar in water, the salt and water form a mixture. Yes, it's a mixture, but the salt seems to disappear. The salt seems to disappear, but it doesn't disappear. It doesn't disappear actually. It is the salt and water make a solution. Is it clear? Right.
Yes.
The substance that is dissolved in a solution is called, what we call it?
Solvent.
Solute.
Solvent.
Wait. The substance that is dissolved. Please highlight it. The substance that is dissolved in a solution called solute. In the previous example, salt is what? A solute. Understood?
Yes.
Right. Is it clear? Right.
Yes.
And the substance in which the solute is being dissolved is called what? The solvent.
Solvent.
Solvent, yes. Again. So, what are the components of the solution? Solute and solvent. In most cases, in general, in most cases, in most solutions, the solvent is water. In the previous example, water is the, yalla, كملوا. Complete.
Water is solvent.
The solvent, yes. I want to end this meeting because the next meeting is coming. No time. Inshallah, if you have any comments or any questions, you can send me in the WhatsApp. Okay. Goodbye. Inshallah.
Goodbye.
Thank you for listening.
Bye.
Bye.